Hello world! Welcome back to another Tenable CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the Tenable challenge, a cube, and a palindrome. Let's get into it. Enter the right number at the prompt to receive the flag. Okay, so they give you a little .nbin file, and that's like a little plugin file that you can execute. Now, maybe others got it to load into their actual Nessus interface, but I was not able to. So I just used Nassle to run it, and I'll show you what that looks like now. Let's go over to my Kali box. And let's do Nassle on timestamp.nbin. Oh, right. Sorry, I have to do that. There we go. And then blah, blah, blah. Too soon. And then if you enter something like that in, it'll say too late. So basically, you're trying to narrow down the timestamps until you get the right one, and then it'll spit out the flag. Now, that being said, I found that each execution of this actually generates a different timestamp, which is really strange, but it is what it is. Anyways, I thought, how can I narrow down the numbers until I get one that works? Well, I wrote a little script here to do that. So let's go ahead and open up that so I can show it to you. And it's going to be this little Pwn tool script I wrote up. And all it's going to do is do like a little binary search algorithm. So basically the script starts off and you calculate your starting timestamp, which is going to be basically the midway point between the high and the low value. And then if you get the message that says if the timestamp is too low, then you know it's going to be in the upper half. And then if it says it's too high, then you know it's going to be in the lower half. And then you're just going to keep doing that division and of course increment and decrement the low and the high respectively until you reach a consensus, or I guess what you could call the middle, which will be our timestamp. Now I can show you where I got the binary search tree algorithm really fast. I think I did binary search algorithm Python. Then Geeks for Geeks had a pretty good one, and this is what I based it off of right here. I just did this, but instead of doing like a mid and if it's greater than X or equal to X and that kind of stuff. So if soon is in the output, then we know it's going to be in the upper half. So we need to increment the lower half and then redo our division. The same is true for late, but in reverse. If it's late, then we take the high value and we decrement it. And then we know it's in the lower half. So that being said, let's go ahead and run it. It'll take it a few seconds, and there you go. It prints out the timestamp like I have here, if it, goes past both these conditions, and then it prints out whatever the output is. So there's your flag. Numbers are neat. This was a pretty cool challenge, very unique. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.